Hi, I'm Lisa Nelson, beauty maven and celebrity makeup artist. And today I'm talking about how I would advise teens to do everyday makeup. So I did lessons all the time on teenagers. That's actually one of my favorite age groups to work with. Girls just need good, simple information to put them on the right track. And when they learn from their friends, or maybe they learn from their moms, bless their heart, and they may not actually know everything either. So we just have to use our resources, and I would actually advise considering hiring a makeup artist for your teen daughter if you don't know yourself. So what we've done today is we've walked her through her skincare regimen, what's going to be best for her skin type and her concerns for her age. We've also recommended just a really minimal foundation for her. And she has such gorgeous skin that we actually just used a little bit of concealer and just put it in the spots that she needs it. If you're a youth and you don't need a full coverage foundation and your skin's doing well and you don't have any specific skin concerns, don't put a whole bunch of makeup on your face because your skin needs to breathe. We did put on some powder, and then we went ahead and just did a pretty blush that was sort of a petal color. That's great for daytime. I would advise earth tones and really natural shades for the youth. So on her lips, we just did a pretty kind of soft pink. We didn't line them. It's a simple gloss. I think that when you have a mouth as great as hers, you don't need a lot of lining. I would prioritize there, and gloss is a great just go-to for an everyday look for a teenager. And what I typically do when I teach teens is I do half of their face and they do the other half. And we sort of build the face in steps. So I'm going to have her sort of finish off her eye. What I'm going to do is just show you. So what I would do is do a wash color first. This is just a little fluff brush and it'll pack on color easily. Go ahead and just apply that to your eye all over. Okay. That eye, from lash line all the way up. So you can look in here. So hold it. Yep, so just start. Yep, and just close one eye. It's that mirror's kind of small.
And all the way up? Okay.
And you can just take it up onto the bone and right underneath your eyebrow too. I want to show you one thing. Can I see this really quick?
Yes.
So with this, I want you to feel and look with the mirror. We sort of pat it in, and it's a really gentle, subtle thing across the eye, okay? Okay, now for the second color, it's going to be slightly darker, but again, earth tones, and that looks fantastic on blondes. We're going to put, we're going to use a brush that has sort of an angle to it. The reason for that is because you want to build it into the crease. So we get a little product. You can always add more, but it's harder to take away, so you just put a little on. And what you want to do with this is lead with the blunt edge. So go ahead and hold this for me. So looking in your mirror, I know it's tricky. So there's a natural shadow in your eye, and that's your crease, sort of right above your lid. So go ahead and start on the inside and just build that out in a line. Can you see how we did on the other one? Look at this one. See how it has a shadow right here? Okay, go ahead and start on the inside and just work outward.
So right there? Okay.
Perfect. Good. And what that's going to do is kind of pull that area back and make the lid look nice and full. Okay, so simple three-step eye, wash, crease, and then we're going to do a highlight. You remember how we talked about this is going to go right over the ball of your eye, okay? So right on the center of your lid. I want you to go ahead and put that one, and you can refer again. Okay. So close this eye.
Okay.
And then just right on the lid in the middle. Just right there on top of your lid in the middle. That's going to cause a nice highlight, and it'll pull and draw the eye open. We did fill in her brows just a little bit to accentuate. You can really learn a lot. Girls need help with brows especially, so that kind of advice is really valuable. Again, don't be afraid to use your resources. Find people that can help your daughter if you can't. I think that's a sign of a responsible parent. Yeah, that looks great. It's a simple three-step eye. So I'm Lisa Nelson, and that's how I would teach a teen to do her makeup.